Alright guys, so the 2007 2.5 ton Nordyne unit is now gone. Actually took too many pictures out of this, actually. But here's the new unit though. It might be a 2.5 ton by the size. It's a Rheem, it's got a wrap on it. That one's really quiet. Looks like they actually cleaned this unit. And it's a straight cool unit. Alright, that's a 2018 2.5 ton. That's made in October, so that's pretty cool. That doesn't look like it has been running. So, yeah, the Nordyne that was just right there is now gone. This thing is super quiet, dude. I'm not gonna be lying. Kind of looks like my Rheem. But yeah, now the Nordyne has seen better days now, so I guess thanks for watching.